Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this creative bold look, and if you want to know then keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to be doing is applying this blue shade from the Beauty Bay EYN 9 colour palette. I'm just going to blend this all over my lid so it's nice and soft as a base for the rest of the colours. Then I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Volume 2 palette, and we're going to take this slightly darker blue shade to darken up the crease. The Anastasia palette is one of my favourites at the moment, so if you haven't tried it I highly recommend. I know it's a bit on the pricier side, but if you're one of those people that like spending quite a lot of money on makeup, then it's perfect for you. Now, using a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to make sure that all the colours are blended together and that there's no harsh lines. Now, using my Fenty concealer and a round packing brush, I'm just going to be patting to create my cut crease. I like to do this technique instead of dragging, as I feel like for me it works better, and when I drag my concealer I make it look a lot messier than when I'm patting it on. Once I get the general shape that I want for my cut crease, I stop using my round packing brush and I switch to a small liner brush so that I can get the line of my cut crease as sharp as possible. Then I'm going to set my concealer in place so that it doesn't crease, and I'm just going to use a white shade from the Beauty Bay palette. Now, moving on to the shimmer, I'm again using the Anastasia palette, and we're just going to pack that all over the lid where we've concealed. Once I'm happy with the shimmer, I'm going to be taking this Krylon Cream Liner to create a wing with the small angled brush. The liner didn't end up being as pigmented as I wanted it to, so once I had finished, I just popped some pink eyeshadow over the top to make it more bold. So once I had finished with the liner, I just went ahead and did my under eyes with the same blue shade we used at the beginning. I also applied my lashes, and if you like the style of those, they are called Intrigue and they are by Morphe. I hope this tutorial really helped you guys out, and I hope it made you want to try more creative looks, because generally I have so much fun with them. And I shall be back next week with another video. Thanks for watching, guys.